All right, let us take you around the Rochester Canandaigua KOA in Farmington, New York.
It's got a lot of stuff to see, so come along and check it all out with us. Making his YouTube debut is Maverick.
They have a nice big pond with fountain, and then they have over there a big old swan paddle boat and regular paddle boats for rent.
I did see on the thing that they give out that they do allow fishing. It's catch and release only, and you do not need a license, it says. So that's something good.
Cute little pedal cars. Super fun arcade. This is actually pretty neat. I just saw this sign in the store, or in the arcade. It's awesome.
Hydro Thunder.
And Kevin already found a payphone.
Hello. Oh, there's a map of the park.
Look at that. And you've got panning for gold here. Mini golf is $3. It's pretty cute. And now we're going over towards the pool. There's shuffleboard. Haven't seen that in a while. Pool areas, pretty nice. Got a little playground on the other side. Got umbrellas for shade. But on a day like this, in the water is where it's at. Now into the camp store.
Hello. Forgot anything, they got a whole lot of good stuff. What we got? Dump station near the front of the park, totally missed it. We do have a garbage can. There's the front up there, there's everybody. No shade trees, but you know, there's not a lot of trees here in the park to begin with, so they got a point for the garbage and -1 for no trees. Zach's taking us to a trail through the woods, which he says has a ropes course, so we're gonna go check that out next. And if we haven't said enough, this is Zach and Maverick. He was the original groupie. FYI, we gotta point that out. They got a cool little playground for little kids. They have an old school metal slide if you really want to burn your ass off, and a neat little fire truck playhouse thingy bobber. Got a little pet station over here if your dog has an accident. Right across from some cabins, which are really super nice looking. We got antennas on each one, so you can probably get some TV in here. We're not too far away from the lake, so some of these have peekaboo lake sites. Some of these over here look like they're right on the lake / pond, whatever you want to call it. Oh, they got air conditioning, a couple units in this one. That's nice. Got a public drinking water station out in the back here by the entrance to the woods and tent sites. Say there's a little pirate ship in the back there. The sign says no pets on the playground, but I see 2 of them climbing all over it right now.
Kevin found the ropes course. Cute little tree house with a slide, ropes get up, and swing over in the back. We kept walking, and now we found that there's, you know, these hooks. There's a tire climbing thing over there. Oh, look at those rainbow colored tires over there. I got the army kind that you go through. Got a climbing thing there. All in nice shaded woods.
Got a cool stage in the pavilion over here. They've got a farmer's market and some kids crafts going on, so I'm not going to film the kids. Out the back here, we've got the giant jump pad, bounce pillow, whatever you want to call it. It's nice. It's in the shade. We got some benches so you can watch your kiddos. I'll say if you got a site up over here, just send the kids down. Off the way here, there is a picnic table and a fire pit if you, I think, maybe just want to bring some people out. Up the way, we've got a dog park, we've got volleyball, and we've got basketball. amongst other things. Looks like a little net is set up over there too on the basketball court for probably pickleball. That's the big thing now. Just a lot of some of the amenities. We've got kids crafts going on in the gazebo here, as well as a little farmer's market.
We're on site 127. It's got trees, it's got shade, picnic table, fire pit. Not very level though. I mean, our truck is pretty downward angle. One thing I don't like is some of these seasonal sites are pretty close together. This is our friends Zach and Jessica's seasonal site, and they said, you know, they have wonderful neighbors, but they can't walk out the door in the morning without saying hi because they're right behind each other and then right next to each other. Oh, we got the hayride. Everybody's standing around. I don't know if they're waiting for the hayride or the ice cream. I'm going for the ice cream.
There they go. Second round.
So they have ice cream every night between 7 and 8 on the weekends. I got peanut butter cup. Yummy. So here we are, sitting around the campfire. Zach's head is almost at the back of the neighbors. The one behind us is, yeah. And Gizmo just made a small cameo in the background. There he is. There's Gizmo. So that was our time at Rochester, Canandaigua, KOA. It was a hot one.
Scorcher for sure.
Oh my gosh.
It was great to see friends. It was great to meet Maverick for the first time.
That's
so,
true.
Yes, definitely stick around. Give us that thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss out on a lot of good videos coming out. We've got Glimmerglass. We've got Loki Hikey, which people have been telling us to go to for a long, long time.
We've also got Nick's Lake, which was awesome. And we went to Sampson State Park. So, and Spragbrook.
Oh, yeah.
So come back.
Definitely.
Come watch us do all these goofy things.
And as always, happy camping, everybody.